Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Why is it recommended to chew dried cloves? In each house in the kitchen there's a jar with kidneys of a clove tree. And do we know that this spice is included in the herbal pharmacopoeia of Britain? Do we know that fragrant cloves are part of the famous antiparasitic dietary supplements? Perhaps, look at a jar of spices in a new way and take advantage of the useful properties of cloves? Unusual-looking buds of the clove tree are famous not only for their burning taste and spicy aroma, but also for their healing effect. This spice has long been used in the recipes of traditional medicine for the prevention and even treatment of certain diseases. So, about the unique medical properties of the unrevealed buds of the clove trees is we reading this article. Chemical composition of fragrant cloves. Just one bud, and what a variety of useful substances. The chemical composition of the carnation is unusually large. Its useful properties are explained by the high content of vitamins, minerals and, of course, essential oil. Vitamins of carnation buds: provitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamins of group B, B1, B2, B3 or PP, B4, B6, B9, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, vitamin E, tocopherol, and vitamin K, phylloquinone. Carnation contains useful minerals: potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, manganese, copper, selenium, zinc. A considerable content of omega-3 and omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids in it. 20% of one bud is an essential oil containing aromatic substances eugenol, caryophyllene, langine, etc. The same amount of cloves and tannins, as well as glycosides and mucus. If we consider the content of proteins, fats and carbohydrates, then in the clove of proteins 6%, lipids 20%, carbohydrates about 27%. Approximately 30% of the spice is fiber. 8 useful carnation properties. It's no wonder that cloves are the most powerful medicinal product, you just look at its composition. Carnation actions. Bactericidal. Anthelmintic, antifungal, fungicidal. Anesthetizing. Antispasmodic. Wound healing. Carminative, with flatulence. Anti-carcinogenic. Carnation is feared by many pathogenic microorganisms, for example, golden and white staphylococcus, diphtheria bacillus and even anthrax, etc. Fragrant cloves suppress the reproduction of the tubercle bacillus. Effective use of cloves for the prevention of influenza. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.